chargers, teachers. This is a great way to communicate with parents and students and have documentation. Please log into your Google account. The purpose of this video is to just show you some aspects of Google Hangouts. You'll see it over here in the upper right hand corner. You'll click on Google Apps. You're going to scroll down to Hangouts. Hangouts. Okay? The beauty of Hangouts is that you can also have it on your cell phone, your desktop, or your iPad. You'll click over here, see more, and you'll see app downloads are available for Android devices, which are the best devices in the world, by the way, or the lowly Apple iOS devices, okay? And so please make sure you go to the appropriate store and download Hangouts, Google Hangouts. Just search for that, and you can download it on your phone. I'm going to tell you why. The reason why is that you can have a simple way to contact parents or contact students by audio phone calls, or you can have video phone calls, or you can have simple text messaging. Yes, you still can do Dojo. Yes, you still can do email, but this is just a different way in which you can communicate with people, okay? In this section right here, you'll see all of your conversations. This is another account that I have. And so just to show you how you can communicate and how they'll show up. And basically it's an archive of everything that has been said through text messaging and every single time that you called, whether video or phone call, okay? It's documentation that you can print out for yourself. For example, I'll show you that I have a contact history, if you will, a log that I've been communicating with this person right here. All right. And you'll see that every single time that someone's outside of the North Little Rock district domain, that a message like this will come up. And so you can X out of that and you can see every single time that you have tried to communicate with the parent or whatever kind of interaction that you guys have had. Once you get over here and you click on or just simply hover over the date and the time, it's a timestamp and it shows you the date that you have communicated or they sent communication and the time, okay? And this is very important to just simply document that interaction was made, okay? And you'll see the different icons. This is a video chat and this is just a regular chat, all right? Please make sure you remember when you message people down at the bottom, let's go through that. I'll close this out. I'll just simply click on messages and you'll see everyone over here that you have messaged. This is my daughter, Faith, and I'm going to go to her messages. And so I was testing this just so you can see what type of interaction that we've had, and everything has gone away. One mistake that I made, I came over here and I came to these three buttons and I clicked and you'll see pin to top, start video call, hide Faith. And so what I did, I pressed delete and it deleted the entire archive. And so if you don't want that, please make sure you don't do anything like that, okay? I'm going to click on myself, and once I start to message people, I'll come down here at the bottom and I'll type in whatever I want. And as soon as I press enter, it's going to be out there. So please make sure you remember, you're not going to be able to write in paragraph form. Please make sure you remember, once you press enter, it's going to send the message to the other person. All right, to close this out, simply click on the X. Also, another way, fun way, is to use your phone, okay? To start a new conversation, you'll select phone, and then you hit the plus sign or new conversation, whatever phone number you're trying to call, okay? I'm going to dial a number that I've known since my childhood, 501 3768111. You're a real G if you know about this phone number. Once I select this, I'm going to select enter. And once I do, you'll see an audio phone call happens. All right. It's actually calling from my phone and it's going to let me know that it's free. For those of you that did not know, this is what we used to use before cell phones, before we could afford watches, so that we could know the time and know the weather. To hang up, you hit the red button, but that's what we used to call it back in the day when we wanted to know the time real quick or the weather real quick. Um, Now, before you do this, it's going to prompt you to register your phone. It's going to take you through that. They do that so that it's not a charge. It's no charge to you at all. It's a free service. But if there is a problem, they have a reference phone number. All you have to do is to verify your phone number. And you can watch the video that I sent to parents and students to go through that process. But I wanted to create a short video. And please remember, whoever you're trying to call in the North Little Rock domain, a video call, it'll take you right to Google Meet, okay? Any kind of message, whoever you're trying to call, same like email, whoever you're trying to contact, their name will pop up, okay? But teachers, let's go through the menu real fast. You have also an opportunity to access different settings for your Hangouts. If you scroll down, you can see blocked people. Even though we're in education, yes, we need to block people sometimes, and you can block whoever you want to right here. For those of you that would be on Google Meets and you do not want to be interrupted, you can mute notifications for ringing or sounds for incoming messages. You can do that for however long you want, or you can just take off sounds for incoming messages. That way you won't be interrupted. You can show people when you were last active or not. You can show which device you're on or not. It's totally up to you. Another place in here that I really want you to check out is another app called Hangouts Dialer. On Hangouts Dialer, you have the opportunity to make outbound calls to your students, to your parents, and Google will give you a phone number. And this phone number, they can call you back, but it's not your actual phone number, okay? So you can call, but check that out on the Play Store, the Google Play Store, the best store in the world, or that sorry Apple Store. But check out Hangouts Dialer. You can call phones, but we do not want you to share your information, but use your district information. But another wonderful resource. Teachers, another useful tool, another useful app to use is Google Voice. This is a wonderful app. You can have a phone number that is not your number, and you can create a new phone number, if you will, that will kind of clone your phone. You can use it on your phone to call out on Wi-Fi. It's called Google Voice. Now, let me give you a warning. The district administrator, it's blocked, if you will. So you would have to use your personal Google account. But what it does, it gives you another phone number to use for parents and students, and it's not your actual phone number. And this phone number can be connected to Google Hangouts. Okay, this is just another way for you to communicate. But I wanted to make sure that we create this short video for you, but it is a cool resource to have, and also it is a wonderful way to document conversations that you've had in a great way. Okay, any questions, as always, you can contact Mr. Kelly. Thank you. God bless.